Here's a kitchen hack. If you're wanting to cut proteins really thin, I would suggest putting it into the freezer for about an hour, and it allows you to make really thin cuts. So I'm slicing my beef for my Thai red curry, and now I'm opening all of my coconut milk, which is a lot of coconut milk, and my bamboo shoots. Thai red curry is probably my favorite dish to cook. When I first started cooking on the yacht, I told the owners that Thai food was my specialty. They said that they really never had much Thai food, but they'd be willing to try my Thai red curry. And guess what? It is now the most requested dish to make on the yacht. I have my Thai red curry recipe on my subscription and membership pages. If you're interested in joining, check the link in my bio, description, or in the comments. Since this is the day before the event, I'm making the base of the curry, and then I'll add my vegetables tomorrow because I don't want them to get mushy. Another top performing recipe on the yacht are these coconut macaroons. These freeze really well, so I would always keep a stash in the freezer, and whenever a guest had a sweet tooth, I would just pull them out. I'm not